Bollywood stars who cannot speak Hindi properly. Katrina Kaif. Being a foreigner, Katrina was not well aware of Indian culture and she also didn't understand Hindi. This gorgeous lady of Bollywood has been in Bollywood for last 10 years. Now it is really commendable the way Katrina groomed herself in speaking Hindi. Her Hindi accent is still broken but much improved. Nargis Fakhri. Being born and brought up in Queens, New York, Nargis couldn't speak Hindi when she stepped into Bollywood. She has been trying to fit in Bollywood, but for her poor Hindi skill, she couldn't deliver hit films. Jacqueline Fernandez. Bollywood beauty, Jacqueline is from Colombo, Sri Lanka, and for this reason, she doesn't know Hindi properly. Sunny Leone. Though this Hollywood fame star belonged from a Punjabi family, but Sunny didn't know proper Hindi as she was brought in Canada. Sunny's Hindi's accent is broken and some of her fans find it really sweet. Prabhas. Being a South Indian megastar, Prabhas was born in Chennai and his mother language is Tamil. Sahu famed actor Prabhas doesn't know Hindi at all. He always prefers English to communicate with his Bollywood fans. Amy Jackson. South Indian heroine Amy has already done many Tamil and Hindi films, but strange part is her Hindi speaking ability is next to zero. She was born in Douglas. Her mother language is not at all Hindi as she is a British. Nora Fatehi. New dancing queen Nora started her dancing career from Canada. This magical foreign beauty has done some Tamil, Telugu and Hindi films. Nora still can't understand Hindi or Tamil properly and she was even trolled for her broken Hindi speech. Lauren Gottlieb. American dancer Lauren Gottlieb appeared in Anybody Can Dance 1 and 2. This popular Bollywood dancer can't speak Hindi. Ellie Avram. Beautiful Ellie was born in Sweden and she came from Sweden to participate in Bigg Boss. Ellie can't understand Hindi properly and many people made fun of her broken Hindi in Bigg Boss house. Lisa Hayden. Australian passport holder Lisa doesn't belong to India and her mother tongue is also not Hindi, so Lisa doesn't know Hindi. Her Hindi speaking ability is poor, but she has been trying to improve it. Evelyn Sharma. Half German and half Hindi, Evelyn's mother tongue is German and for this reason she understands Hindi but can't speak it fluently. Georgia Indriani. Arbaz Khan's rumored girlfriend Georgia is from Italy and for this reason her mother language is French. For her upcoming Bollywood career, Georgia is now learning Hindi. Rebecca Breeds. Rebecca was casted in Bhag Milkha Bhag opposite to Farhan Akhtar. Being an Australian, she doesn't know Hindi at all. Erica Carr. Shivai famed actress Erica is a Polish actress and she can't speak Hindi properly. Do you think without fluent Hindi, this actress would survive in Bollywood? Write your thoughts in the comment section and please subscribe our channel for more updates.